We'll go over how to check your device's warranty in this video. On your browser, type in https://www.seagate.com and press Enter. Hover your mouse pointer to the Support tab at the upper right of the screen. This will give you a drop-down of available options for support. Click on Warranty and Replacements. In the Check Warranty box, enter the serial number of your Seagate external drive and click on the Check Warranty button. On the Warranty and Replacements page, the validity period of your drive's warranty and Rescue Data Recovery Service Plan will be displayed on the screen. The model number and serial number of your drive will also be available. For more details, check out our other videos.